Yeah, hello guys. So, my name is Varadarajan, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss about the topic name is carpentry. Okay. So, the carpentry, which is very important topic. Apart from the topic, it is a very important life skill which is used for in our day-to-day life. Okay. So, in this particularly for our first year students, in this workshop practices laboratory, they are very much learn about this particular carpentry experiments. Okay. So today our students from CSE department, okay, they are going to elaborate about the carpentry and then they elaborate and discuss about the particular topic, carpentry. Okay. I just want to introduce the students' name: Sri Darshani, Sujit, Shashmita, Vishnudev. Okay, let we start the discussion.
Let me introduce about what is carpentry. Carpentry is a skilled trade or craft working with wood. In this process, we use softwood to construct and install and repair structure.
As we know, the carpentry is used in various fields like construction, etc. The carpentry is a temporary joint, so we can easily remove and reconstruct it. There are various tools we use in carpentry like pliers, hammers, chisels, etc. It is used in windows joints and doors and furnitures.
Define through making designers can define problems easily, and it can be removed easily because the carpentry is a temporary joint. We can remove as our needs.
The main idea is that they build with the help of prototypes tools, with the help of models before planning.
This is where carpentry truly shines, constructing tangible and testing visions of ideas. In this we use smooth tools which can make it very easy.
The main advantage of carpentry is that it is as it is a temporary joint, we can easily replace it and it can be used in various types. So the wood is mainly used because it will never rust and it can be long lasting.
The key aspects of carpentry: construction, measurement and precision is more important in carpentry works, and the tools we use. The tools are needed to shape the wood and do different things, and design understanding and repair works. Repair works is the most important thing in carpentry.
Carpentry is the hands-on training because it helps in various fields and we can construct houses and furnitures can be built with the help of wood. And it gives a finishing.
Disadvantage of carpentry: usually higher developments and expenses are there in the carpentry. Increased expenses with changes, limited possibilities to meet individual customers, and increase in net products are most.
So from this we can conclude that carpentry is one of the major products, a major field we can use in various industries and household works. We see most of the wooden furnitures are there, which has joints made up of wood, and it can be easily replaceable.
Mainly in carpentry, we use hammers, chisels, and measuring scale. The measuring scale is more important because we need to measure accurately to make accurate carpentry works. And we use sizzler. Sizzler is used to sizzle the wood to make carpentry works. And hammer is used to remove the extra pieces in carpentry works.
Apart from this, there are very tools like a tri-square and a metal jackplane. The jackplane is used to smoothen the wood, and we use a tri-square to make the right angles. These are the other important tools we use in carpentry. We use chisels to remove the unwanted pieces. From conclusion, we did Carpentry is used in various fields. So it is used in making furnitures. Furnitures and most of the woodworks are made with the help of carpenters.
Yeah, it's a very good discussion about the carpentry topic. It will be very awesome. You people are discussed about the merits and demerits and for the particular topic. It will be very useful for our students' fraternity. So thank you students. Thanks for your contribution.